Welcome everyone to a new video where I'm going to explain to you how to execute 1 minute open range breakout strategy. And I'm going to demonstrate to you how to trade this strategy using a trade that Andrew took on Tesla last week. One thing that you need to understand about the 1 minute open range breakout strategy is that it is one of the riskiest strategies because of the fact that this strategy is executed during the most volatile time after market open. It's usually executed between 9:30 to 9:35. This is literally the first 5 minutes after market open. The market is so volatile and it's jumpy and it makes huge move both to the upside and downside. Because of that, this could result in you having a huge slippage which could cause you to lose more than you expected. Because of that, you need to understand the strategy that you are playing or at least have an idea as of how much the stock can run after market open and how jumpy or volatile it could be. After which you'll be able to decide how many shares you are allowed to take in when executing the trade. To play 1 minute open range breakout strategy, you need to trade a stock in play, which means a stock that had catalyst, earnings, or that is in the gappers list. These are the type of stocks that could get the most volatility after the market open and that could get some sort of momentum. You also need to find some particular level that you could play the breakout from, which could result in some sort of extra momentum. You also want the stock to be somewhere around VWAP, not so extended from it, because then the stock could pull back after the market open, and not so much below it if you're looking for a long, because the stock below VWAP means that it is overall weak and you could get trapped in some sort of fake breakout before the potential trend to the downside. For example, as you can see here on Tesla, there was some particular range in the pre-market that Tesla was holding and it had a fake breakout after the market opened below this level. This fake breakout is the first sign that the stock could actually be potentially good for a breakout, and the break of the level could result in some good momentum that you could use to take partials with a decent risk to reward rate. So let's go to trading terminal replay feature and see how this trade looked like in real time and what Andrew saw before he executed this trade. So as you can see, this is Tesla and this is the level that was held in the pre-market. We had a few fake breaks here and here, which we need to account for, obviously, but overall this is the level, or this is the place where Tesla had the most touches. After market open, Tesla breaks to the downside, which obviously we need to ignore because we're breaking after a huge move without any single pullback. The stock needs to make a pullback before the continuation. And if that happens, you could play an open range breakout to the downside. Now you could see this is the low of the candle, this is the high of the candle. Basically, that is our opinion range. And Tesla is now going above it. This is where you could start building your position to the upside. You see how every time it ticks down, it gets bought back up. This shows us some strength. And this is where Andrew got his entry on Tesla. After that, it's just simply a matter of risk to reward ratio, and with momentum, when the stock starts pulling back, you want to take partials, especially that there is a level somewhere around here. 1 minute open range breakout is a scalp strategy and a momentum strategy, so you need to be so careful and so quick about taking your partials. So that is basically it. To play a 1 minute open range breakout strategy, you want to find a stock in play because these type of stocks are the type of stocks that could get some momentum or trend after the market open. Next thing, you want the stock to be somewhere around VWAP, not so extended from it if you're looking for long, not so much below it if you're looking for short, not so much above it. You then need a confirmation candle on the 1 minute chart. On Tesla, we had the hammer. It could be just simply bullish candle. You don't want any indecision candle or candles that are showing you weakness when you're looking for long, or candles that are strong when you're looking for a short. Preferably, you want to see some sort of level because break of levels help you get that momentum. And finally, it is good to see an increasing order flow on the time and sales. Not big orders, but an increasing order flow with a quick and fast price action. I'll explain this to you in future videos and exactly what you want to see on the time and sales when you're trading different strategies. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit the like button, share and subscribe to our channel, and make sure to email me ayman@beerbulltraders.com if you have any questions. You can follow me on Twitter @aymanbbt, where I share my trades every day, good and bad. I'll see you on the next video.